Hello guys, welcome to the Daily Dose by Finity. There are essentially two strategies of making investments, active investing and passive investing. Let's look at the points to be considered while choosing active or passive investing. Category of funds you are investing in. Funds like mutual funds, equity funds, hedge funds require active participation of the fund manager to generate higher returns than market and maximize investors' wealth. Funds like ETFs, index funds, funds of funds are classic examples of passive investing. Past performance. Actively managed funds have recently had a tough time in generating returns higher than the market but have still managed to outperform passively managed funds in a long run. At the same time, it is not advisable to base invest decisions solely on the past performance of an investment product. Costs involved in investment. Active investing requires various analysts and tools that help in generating higher returns for the investors, which leads to an increase in the cost of investment. Passive investing, on the other hand, does not require any heavy influence of the fund managers and an extensive team of analysts for managing the investments. Control over the investment portfolio. Active investment strategy provides the investors with the benefit of choosing their investments in the portfolio based on the careful research and analysis. In passive investing, there is no scope for customization of the portfolio, which can be availed in actively managed funds. Transparency in investments. Active investing provides the details of the investments at regular intervals, not at any point in time. Passive investing lets the investor be aware of their investments and the underlying assets at any point in time. Diversification. Investors in active investing strategy can pick and choose their investments across various categories and assets as well as across different sectors of industries. This benefit of diversification is not available in the case of passive investing. Investors cannot choose to alter their assets in the underlying index. Hope these points help. For more tips like these, follow our YouTube channel and Instagram page. Happy investing!